Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you two ways how you can make money with Shutterstock. The first way is by uploading your own content, of course, and the second way is just like joining the affiliate program. So let's just start with the first one. Before we start, now what you should definitely use is a program called PhotoLaw, and PhotoLaw is a program that helps you to upload your photos to microstock sites. Upload once to PhotoLaw and your photo will automatically be uploaded to all these stock sites with Adobe Stock, ShutterStock, and also the others. So this is a really great way how you can optimize your time, and this is something that I definitely recommend for you to do and for you to use. Now, how to actually use Shutterstock. So how it works, you just sign up and you just like add your model here. If it's an image, footage, music, template for editor, entertainment, or like news, completely up to you what you choose. And like for image, I can write here and just write C, right? And I'm gonna see plenty of C's, like this one here or this one here. And what I can do is to easily download it now with a free trial. So then I can do it, or I can see the pricing here, subscription, and you're gonna be paid based on the subscription. Now, how you can actually promote yourself. What you can actually do is create YouTube videos, and this is what I recommend for you to do. So I'm a full-time YouTuber, I create YouTube courses, and if you like to in the future, right now, create a YouTube channel, you will find my mini course, which is completely for free down below in the description. Now, how you can start on YouTube and how you can work more effectively on YouTube. So what you can do is to actually, let's say that I will have like some images about the sea, and I can write a blog, an article, or just make a video only because let's say I have footage. That's better. Footage as like best sea scenes. And what I would do, I would just add the first, mine would be on the beginning, and the fourth one would be competitors. And this is, or like if you have 5 shots, you can just use them. And just like, okay guys, you can download it down below in the link in the description. And this is the way how you can actually promote yourself through YouTube channel. Now, this is the first way. The second way, what you can do, and you can really influence it, but the great thing is that you're gonna be promoted by Shutterstock, by the organic search. So when someone is going to write "sea" or "woman," we can see clearly really nice videos that I could use and download. So this is really great, and that's what I recommend for you to use for happy millennials. Like this guy just saw opportunity because plenty of people started working from home, and what he did, he just paid people and created this Shutterstock, and by this way he's earning good money. I really believe in that. So photographer, videographer, images, see plenty of images he has. So this is actually the first way how you can make money, really good way, just by uploading. I would definitely recommend like making something people are looking for and just making that and creating those kind of footages and images, like there is like with a quarantine and stuff. So the guy was making photos and videos about when people are calling with each other, and plenty of people used it in advertisements. So that's really good. Now, this is the first way how you can actually make money. After that, you just have to test, but what I would recommend is definitely upload as much as you can on the various content and let the search for you begin, right? So the second way how you can make money is through the affiliate program. Join the Shutterstock affiliate program and earn up to 300 per new customer purchase. And this is really great only because you can earn a generous 20% revenue share. So I recommend doing it, but also with YouTube channel. So that's what I would do, is that I would create videos, best sea scenes, best laughing scenes, woman. And then I would have like, I would link every single link into the description, and that way you can just like make money. And I would really like recommend doing that. So, or I can come here with the music home or templates home. So that's something you can definitely do. and you're gonna see the social media, print projects, see print templates here. And you can make a video and create one templates for business cards. What are the best templates for business cards? That's the video that I would create, or you can write an article for a blog. So that's another thing that you can actually do. Now, you can see plenty of things here, but this is a really good way. So what you can actually achieve. Download 4K, you see that the quality is good here, but this is what I would definitely do. So to summarize it, the first way is actually upload it by yourself. If you're a photographer or videographer, or if you're living, like let's say that you would live on Hawaii and you just like record good footage and just upload it here, there will definitely be people that would download those photos. Or you can create this graphic flowers. That's something you can definitely do. Like this is perfect photo. Or again, you can just upload with dogs, but there is a high competition in this. So I wouldn't really recommend doing that. It's not that effective. But yeah, that's also possible what you can actually do. Dog and a cat. So yeah, if you can have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I've been on YouTube for a really long time, and I think I can help you with that. With a mini course for the beginning, it can provide you value, and it's free, so why hesitate, right? So ShutterStock is really good, but definitely use the photo law and go also Adobe Stock, only because you can like double your income this way. Not only that you would earn money in ShutterStock, but you would earn money on Adobe Stock and others, on Dreamstime or 123RF. That's a good website too. Or Alami. So this is something you can definitely do. And yeah, have a great day, guys, and goodbye. See ya.